So today we'll start with the new topic of grammar, that is sentence and clauses. Before starting or introducing the lesson, let me tell you the meaning of a sentence. Basically, it is a structure which consists of subject and verb which makes it meaningful. Now there are various types of sentences: simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Let's start with simple sentence first. Simple sentence is a sentence which has a subject and a verb in it, which makes it a meaningful sentence. Okay? And it does not require anything to be added in it to make it complete. In other words, it is also known as independent clause. Let's take small example to understand. Ram goes to school. If we read a sentence, subject is here, verb is here, and the sentence is meaningful. Therefore, it does not require anything else to be added in it to complete it. That's why it is called a simple sentence, or in other words, it is also known as independent clause. The reason why we call it independent clause, because it is independent. It does not require help of anything else, or it does not require further addition in it to make it complete sentence. It is complete in itself. Let's take another example for the same part. I am a teacher. Okay, so subject is here, verb is here, and the sentence is complete in itself. This is an example for simple sentence, or we call it independent clause because it is not dependent on anything. It is complete in itself. Let's move to the second part, compound sentences. Compound sentences are those sentences which have more than one independent clause. I repeat, compound sentences are those sentences which have more than one independent clause, and they are joined by the words called coordinating conjunctions. Let's take small example to understand. I am a teacher. My brother is a doctor. So if we read the sentence here, there are two sentences. I am a teacher. First one, my brother is a doctor. Second one. So both the sentences are complete in themselves. They do not require anything else to be added in them to make it complete. Both of them are independent clause. When two independent clause are coming in a same sentence, it is an example for compound sentence, and both of them are joined by the conjunctions like and. Okay, there are various other conjunctions which we use here like and, but, so, because. These are called coordinating conjunctions. They are coordinating with them. So I repeat, compound sentences are joined with coordinating conjunctions to make them complete. It has more than two independent clause. Example I have given, I am a teacher and my brother is a doctor. Let's move to the next one, that is complex sentence. Complex sentence is a sentence in which we have one independent clause and one dependent clause. We have already discussed about independent clause. Let's talk about dependent clause now. Let's take small example to understand. If you play outside, okay, now if you read a sentence, you can easily identify that the sentence is incomplete. If you play outside, what then? What will happen if I play outside? So obviously, after reading a sentence, the reader could easily identify that the sentence is incomplete. So this is an example for dependent clause. This is an example for dependent clause. Now, to make the sentence complete, what I have to do? I have to add an independent clause in it to make it meaningful. I repeat, in complex sentences, there are two clauses, dependent and independent. Both the clauses are coming together. Like here, I have given an example for dependent clause, as after reading a sentence, you can identify that the sentence is incomplete. If you play outside, you can easily identify that the sentence is incomplete. If I play outside, then what? What would happen then? Definitely the question mark comes there. To make it complete sentence, what I have to do? I have to add independent clause here to give a proper meaning to it. Let's see here. If you play outside, I will beat you. So now what I have done? I have added one independent clause in it. I have added an independent clause in it to make it meaningful sentence. If you play outside, I will beat you. So here now the sentence is complete, and here I am putting a term or a condition that if you play outside, I will beat you. So here now the sentence gets completed. So complex sentences are those sentences which have both dependent and independent clause in them to make them complete. That's it, which we have discussed about simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentences. We have discussed about clauses, that is dependent clause and independent clause. In our next video, we are going to discuss about types of clauses.